So this was one of the folders that I got from Target that I tried to make the cover for my mini happy planner, but I ended up using the blue one because this one, when I was cutting it and measuring it out, I measured it wrong, so it didn't work out for my mini happy planner. But of course I didn't want to throw it out because I figured I could later on use it for another planner. So I figured I'm gonna try and figure out how I can make it the cover for this one. So I already know that so the back, I need to cut it so that way it can come to the front like this. And then even though it doesn't have a demarcation line, I could just make it later on with a like a X-Acto knife or something like that. And actually, like, the measurements for it, it's pretty perfect. Like, it actually fits really well lengthwise. So basically I just have to cut it to size, which I'm going to be doing that now. And then for the front part, I also have to just cut it to size, and I have to see if I'm going to cut it off in the front here, or if I'm going to cut it this side. So I'll see what I do, but for now I think the easiest part for me to do is to cut the back. So I'm going to go ahead and line it up to how I want it. I kind of want it, this is how I do this. So I'm going to line it up, and basically I think I'm going to want for it to come here like this. So I'm going to mark where I'm going to need to cut it in the back. I'm gonna cut it right there. You guys can see I just marked it off, and then I'm gonna put it in my cutter and cut it off. Hopefully it'll be even. I don't know if I'm in the way, sorry guys. I want to make sure that I'm cutting off that little mark as well. See, this is the problem that I'm having when I'm cutting it here on the bed. But there, so I cut off this part. Let me measure it again. Make sure that it's how I want it. So before, yeah, I think it's... So right now I'm just going to line it up with the back cover so I can make the holes. Punch the holes on here. Just want to make sure that it's lined correctly. I'm going to mark it and then punch it. There, I marked it, and I'm gonna punch it, make the slits. I'm gonna punch it, make the slits, and I'll be back. So there, guys, I punched it and I cut the slits with the scissors. Now I'm gonna measure. I'm gonna just this is the back cover, the back inside cover. Just gonna snap it in so I can snap this back cover on top of it, so I could just see how it looks. Make sure that it's it works just fine. Okay, so I think it's gonna work just fine. I just gotta take like a... When I'm done making it, I'm gonna make... I'm just gonna have to make like a line with the X-Acto knife. Do like a slight little cut so that it'll allow for it to fold like this. So let me go ahead, and now I have to cut the front part so that way it can snap perfectly in the middle. Sorry, I'm trying to do this so it has to go like that, and then I can snap it. So I think, so this is the front cover right here. If I cut it right there, is it gonna work? Or do I need to use this, cut it on this side better? This is a little bit of trial and error right now. Just want to make sure to cut it exactly how much I need. So I want it to be, let me see, let me at least cut this part off first, and then I'll figure out just gotta make sure that it's lined up correctly, because if I mess up, then I won't be able to do the cover for it. I'm gonna go in a little bit more. Well, here goes nothing. I'm gonna cut it right there and hope for the best. I don't know why this cutter is giving me a bit of a problem, but it's actually a little longer than this cover, so I'm gonna cut it. Actually, let me see. Let me make sure. I'm going to measure it with the back side to make sure that they are okay. So let me put the front cover back on here. It's a little tedious, you guys, but I don't mind doing, I like doing my own stuff, so I don't mind doing it, because I like to have my own things and not have like the same thing as everybody else. And just trying to see how it's going to work. Yeah, it's not gonna work, guys. It's actually, I should have cut the back, given the back a little bit more slack, because it's actually not, since it's too tight, it's not, it doesn't want to. I would need to actually make the inner covers shorter in order for this to work, but it would have been cute. Yeah, this is, I need the snap. So this is it, you guys. This is my little DIY Happy Notes dupe. And I'm pretty happy with how it came out. I think that it looks really cute with the cover as well as the inside covers. I wish you guys could see. Maybe I'll take pictures of it and post it on my Planner Organized Instagram page, because this is looking more red. I'm gonna see if within pictures it'll look more true to color, because it's looking more red, but it's actually like a fuchsia pink. So that's it. I'll let you guys go, and I actually have some scraps here from the folder, so I'm probably gonna just make some more dividers and add them in here, so that way they'll go together with the outside cover. So I hope everyone is staying safe and staying productive, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.